Royal Series, Cycle Royal Series. Then Royal Black, Royal Black. You can see the model. The model is the Cycle Royal Black.
Yeah.
And this is the Royal OTC. You can see support fresh milk.
Yeah.
This model not support fresh milk. Only black coffee.
Okay.
And this is also Cycle. Auto.
Yeah. Nectar.
Korea. I think it's so popular. This model
Yeah.
very popular.
You
Korea.
are working
But this
in it.
made in Italy.
Yeah.
Made in Italy.
But didn't
We can't.
manufacture it?
This is made in Italy.
Yeah,
And we only can sell in China. We only can sell in China. If you for the overseas market, we cannot sell.
Yeah.
And
So-
for these 1, 2, 3 model for this cycle models, we can sell
Yeah.
to you and all the Chinese market.
Okay.
We call it made in Dongguan.
Yeah. So.
Gaji.
Oh.
Gaji means like radish. It's so expensive. This model is expensive. And made in Italy.
Yeah.
Only can sell in China.
But this is not the same or not high copy machines. It's same machine used to nectar, used to Saiko. Yeah.
All cycle, nectar, gaji, all
Your manufacturer.
you work group, do you know? You work group. You see? You work group.
Oh. Yeah.
You work group have 30 different brands.
Yeah.
Like cycle, gaji, nectar, and
Okay.
Marcus. This is Marcus.
Marcus. Yeah.
Marcus Guangzhou.
Marcus. This is for you.
Yeah. This is the Guangzhou brand. Guangzhou. Marcus. New model. This is new model. Designed by Italian and made in China.
So what's different between this and this, please?
Fresh milk.
Fresh milk here
This is
without
bean to
fresh.
cup. Bean to cup.
Bean to cup, but
Bean to
without fresh
I
milk.
show you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1 gram, 3 part of canister.
Yeah. What about this?
This is the Marcus 4C.
Yeah.
This is a very matured model. 1, 2, 3 part and 1 gram.
So good, really. So good.
And